Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So first I'm going to say excuse my hair. I could have did my hair, but I didn't feel like it. I like the fact that you guys take me the way that I am, so I can come on here with my hair looking like this. But as you can tell by the title of this video, it's going to be an affordable brush video. So all of these brushes come from one website, and it is Shop Miss A. I'm pretty sure a lot of you have probably heard of her. Maybe it was last year. She opened a pop-up shop. Why do I keep saying Maybe it was last year. She opened a store in Dallas, but she's had her online website for maybe a year or two now. Or maybe that's how long I've known about her. But I just now decided to buy some brushes from her. And everything was $1. Okay, so let's just get into this. So this is the packaging that it came in. I've taken it out. Very cute packaging. And then it came wrapped in bubble wrap. And I wasn't even going to film this video, but I decided why not. That's why everything's already open. I was going to open everything on camera. But I did not open this. This is the packaging. It's very cute. So and it's sealed securely. So this is everything. Probably doesn't look like a lot, but I'm just gonna show you guys anyway. So I got 16 brushes total, and this is an argan oil brush soap. This was $1.55. Basically, this is the name back here. So it says parts of their proceeds will go towards protecting animals against abuse. That is so sweet. So it has like a, does it have the scent? The scent is Breeze that I got. It smells weird, but this is just what the soap looks like. It's packaged and everything, but I guess I'll let y'all know like on my Snap or Instagram or something if it cleans really good. But it does smell weird. Maybe it's just the particular scent that I got. So this first brush is from AOA Studio. It's an E143 brush, and I think it's kind of like, it's a flat brush. I like that it's wooden. That's neat. And this will be perfect for concealer. I really think this is a concealer brush. I got about two, but I feel like my face in the background be like real focused, because trying to look at the mirror that I have back there, everything, it is so much. So this brush, I actually didn't think that the bristles were going to be that small, and this is the F16 brush. I got an F. Made me feel like I was back in school. So this says the E143 brush was a flat eye brush, but I will use that for concealer. The F16 brush is, did I order this brush? Was it free? Oh no, a concealer brush. This is tiny for a concealer brush. I definitely will not use this for concealer because no, it's not big enough. I don't know what I would use it for. It might work for concealer. I'll give it a try. But this one will probably be crease because I need a flat brush for my cut crease, and I'm excited to use this. So the next single brush that I got was the, let's just open it. This is the packaging, and this is a concealer brush because I see the name. So this is the Concealer 513 brush. I don't know why I love like the flatness in these brushes. Like, obsessed. So the last single brush that I got was an all over shadow brush. So it looks like her company has brushes from different brands because this says she on there. And this is very pretty. Like the bristle is like an ombre color. It's so pretty. The packet, like the brush, is cute. Next to the brush sets. So this small brush set that I got, it says it's from Urban Studio. Everything on their website, I think it's vegan. It says 100% vegan bristles, and I think everything on their website is vegan, so that's a plus. This is a. I should have had all this together. 3 brush set eye trio kit. So this is basically what they look like. So in the brushes, it looks like there's a blending brush and a brow brush and some type of flat brush. And if I feel like I'm rushing, y'all, I haven't eaten all day and it's probably like 4 o'clock and I had to let my meat thaw out, and so it's thawing out right now and I need to, I think it's thawed out. I'm just ready to cook it. My sister is hungry. So these, oh, you pull them up, okay. They are very pretty. Like I love how the handles are on these brushes. So this one is angled. You can definitely use this one for your brows. This one is fluffy. I love brushes like this. Like, I don't know why I have an obsession with this type of brush and a flat brush. Like the first one I showed you guys. And this is just gonna get in there like... They don't have a wet smell. But yes, love this. And then this last one is flat but kind of fluffy at the same time. So you can probably use it to like pack on some shades. I don't know, y'all know how I'm really just getting up there with eyeshadows anyways. I just be using my brushes for whatever. Okay, this last one is a it says Paw Paw 10-piece All About Eyes brush set. There are 10 brushes in here, okay? Super cute. Brushes open like this. So I thought this set was gonna come with an open case, like the roll-up cases that you put the brushes in, but hey, that's fine. But I'm just gonna show you these brushes really quickly. I'm so excited to use these. Like these are so, I need to buy another one of these. Cause look, like these brushes. So this one is the E128. And look at that, like that is gonna get in that crease and everything perfect. Like, come on. This is the E131 and it's just like a flat brush. You can probably use this for concealer as well. I'm trying to make sure you can see it because my lighting is so bright. Maybe I should turn it down a little bit so you can see. Nope. I don't look good though. Y'all like my eyes. I've been eating candy. I'm so cute. Okay. Enough distractions. This one right here, oh my gosh, like this is so beautiful. I'm looking at the brushes. I don't know if y'all can see the bristles. Like they look a little bit weird, a little bit, but it's so pretty, super pretty. And this one is the E127. So this one is like another angled one for your brows. Oh, it has a spoolie at the end. I had no idea. So perfect. This one is the E133. It's the E130, and once again, it's fluffy. Like I said, this is all about the eyes, and this is why I needed that. Beautiful. That's all. This one is the E132. I actually like that one too. The E134. E126. E129. And the last one is the E125. This one is a bit angled a little bit. So I honestly don't know what to use that for, but I'm just excited to have some new brushes, okay? So that is it for this quick little video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you would like to see more videos like this, or where to find affordable brushes or affordable brush sets or anything affordable, let me know in the comment section below, and I will definitely do that for you guys. Don't forget to like this video, comment under this video, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your continued support, those who actually do watch my videos. I truly appreciate you guys. And leave me comments sometimes, so you know, you never know, one day I might do a random giveaway. So leave me comments letting me know that you watch my videos. It can be emojis or anything like that, but just so I can see continued support from people, and I'm gonna give back to you. So yeah, subscribe, and I love you guys. Thanks for watching.